It's the end of November. It's the time of year between fall and winter where we really aren't sure what to do. The sun's disappearing before 5 p.m., we're tired all the time, and staying indoor just feels like the easier thing. We still found energy to get out and explore. That's why this weekend we packed our bags and drove north to Letchworth State Park. This was a park we've never been to before, but we were inspired by the colorful fall posts. Sometimes we think that because a place may not be beautiful during the colder months, it may not be worth visiting. We stood there for a moment, taking in the view, snapping a few photos, and letting the moment settle before making our way towards Middle Falls. Middle Falls. This was the one that took our breath away. It's the tallest and most dramatic waterfall in the park. There was an overlook where we stayed for some time just taking it all in. There's something about being near water that makes us feel a sense of ease and calmness. We can close our eyes and listen to it forever. Cool.
After being on the road for 7 hours and enjoying our time at the falls, we finally made it to our cabin. It was a small, cozy place with no internet, no service, just us. While we settled down, I began to boil water to make hot chocolate. As the temperature outside kept dropping, it began to get chilly in the cabin. And one cool thing about this place was the old school furnace. We've never used something like this before, but having to keep it going throughout the night made us feel connected to the cabin itself. We ended the night with hot chocolate in hand, feeling grateful for the simple privilege of being able to hop in a car and end up in a place like this. After getting some much needed rest, we started the day with a nice hot cup of coffee. While heading to the bathroom, we were surprised it was beginning to snow. This was our first glimpse of the snow this season, and it really made us excited for the winter. But we were even more excited when we met Mercury.
Honey. Oh my gosh, you're so pretty.
After brushing our teeth, we packed our bags and we hit the road again for our final adventure of the weekend.
Havana Glen Park. We came across this place a few years ago on our first trip to Watkins Glen. During the summer months, families come here to swim and enjoy a dip in the cool water. But in November, it's empty and we get to experience this place all to ourselves. The walk up was easy, but the second we got to the falls, it started to rain. Despite this, we still enjoyed our time here and felt ready to welcome a new week. So this is your reminder to get out there. No matter the time of year, no matter the weather, go take some time to explore what's around you.